Bitches turn into my end. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see. Beauty Vibewitbre. Real motherfucking hot girl shit.
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video. It's my last one, but I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. But before I share my news with you guys, I'm gonna need you guys to, of course, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, both my pages, which is Vibewitbre, _2_ and Beauty by. Oh, it's so I just remembered it's no longer Beauty by Brie. I'm expanding my business, so my new name is Bree's Boutique. It's still 3 underscores. I just decided to change the name up. I'm doing something a little bit more professional in the sense because I'm expanding to have a clothing line as well coming out in the summer. So those will all be in the description box below. Make sure you follow those. I just came back from vacation. Came with Atlantic City for my birthday. Cheers to being 25. I'm very blessed to see another day. So my exciting news I have for you guys is that I partnered up with Skyncense Beauty and I became a brand ambassador. So I will be receiving packages every 2 months, so you guys can check them out. And I will be opening up. I just got back, so I didn't open up the package or anything of that kind. So I'm going to be opening up the package with you guys and seeing what goodies I have in there. I have a discount code that you guys will be able to use as well, and I will provide links in the description box below. So this is a really heavy package, so let's get into this. First of all, I love the packaging. I'm all about this. So this right here is a go-getter for me. Having the name on the bag packaging. Should have kind of cut this open. Use this. Open it. First and foremost, I definitely want to say thank you for choosing me to be one of your brand ambassadors. Like, I feel very honored. Alright, I got 2 things in here. First things up, I'm going to open up the box with you guys. This already right here is a go-getter for me. It says their brand name on it here, Skyncense Beauty. Like, this is really pretty. And this catches my attention, like, immediately. So the packaging, A1, all of that A1. Nah, because this is really gorgeous. Like, I don't want to drop it, but this is really gorgeous. So on the inside of the box right here, I'm going to read what it says, and it has my name on it. So the inside of the box says, Nourished Skin is in, enjoying care for you. Wait, enjoy caring for you. SkyncenseBeauty.com. Like I said before, this will be in the description box below, so don't be alarmed. So right here, this is the envelope with my name on it, Brie. I'm gonna open that up first before we get into the goodies. Oh, this is cute. So on the inside, wait. Okay, so there's about three. Okay, before I get into this, there's three cards that came in the envelope. So I'm gonna go through each of them and tell you what each card has on them. So this first one is basically, I'm going to say this is the business card. It has their name and it tells you what they make, and it has their Facebook, Instagram, and their Pinterest on the bottom, along with their website. And basically what they have on their website is natural handmade artisan soaps, body scrubs, face serums, masks, body butters, and much more. So this is what the business card looks like right here. And this is really cute. This is really amazing. The next card was a thank you. So when you order, this is exactly what you'll be getting in your order, a thank you. No, again, along with their website on the bottom. And it says, hey, your order was handcrafted with love. We hope you enjoy your products. Tag us in your photos to be featured. And then I got a code on the bottom. So I can't show you guys my code, but this is what it looks like right here. Like, this is the back, and then this is the front. This is really amazing too. And of course, last but not least, I picked it up in that direct good order. So this right here is my welcome package. It says welcome Skyncense Beauty Babe. right. Hello, Brianna. This ring light is in my way. Hello, Brianna. We want to start by saying thank you so much for being part of our ambassador program. We genuinely appreciate you and are excited to bring you in this journey. Whew. Our motto is crafted for the culture, so it's our mission to create natural and luxurious beauty products that were crafted with you in mind. Be sure to capture. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can't talk. Be sure to capture each item on your Instagram and other social media platforms. Also, make sure to share your code with your audience for 20% off their purchase. So you guys get 20% off when you buy these products when you use my discount code. So make sure you guys use my discount code. It will also be in the description box below. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, I will be posting periodically my products that I have with the discount code as well. But my discount code is xoxobre. You get 20% off. Don't forget that. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email us at skincensbeauty@gmail.com. We look forward to having a long-lasting relationship with you. Welcome to the Skyncense Beauty Tribe. Like, this was amazing. And the way, like, it's laminated. It definitely is. It's laminated, like, packaging so far A1. My welcome letter was amazing as well. Also, when you order, you will be getting one of these in here as well to tell you what you ordered, which is great to have. So in my package, I have a facial moisturizer, a facial toner, and a body scrub. All right, this is how it looks, like, packaged up to perfection. And on top of that, there is a sticker in here with their name on it that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business, Skyncense Beauty." This is pretty amazing. I'm gonna put this sticker right here because I'm gonna close up my product just the way it is. So this is the way it came inside. Like, trying to see if I can smell the products through the thing, but this is amazing how the packaging is. Like, she really put her time and effort into this, and I love it. All right, what do I want to open up first? So I'm going to be opening up this first. This right here is the face moisturizer. This is the 2-ounce bottle right here. It's a nourishing, moisturizing, vegan, natural, and cruelty-free product. It has the ingredients on the side. I can read the ingredients out too. I'm gonna do that as well. So the ingredients in this face moisturizer is aloe vera juice. Actually, I don't know how to say this next word. I'm going to actually list down the ingredients in the description box below because I can't pronounce this word. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Cannot pronounce this word, but there is a lot of good stuff in here. I don't see any nothing bad for your face. And it tells you on the little side right here how long the product lasts you. So this product lasts for about 6 months before it expires, and it tells you how to use it on the other side as well. You apply a thin layer over a cleansed face after toning, but do not rinse it off. Okay, I want to smell this. And the way it's packaged up, it has this on it. Wow, these things are like tight on here. All right, okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. I just want to put this on my hands. So I'm going to feel how this feels on my hands. So I just took a little bit of that. That's all I pretty much probably need. Anyway, this is a lot of product in here actually. So
Stan, you inherited $20,000. What did you do with it?
I lost it.
So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have too much of a smell, which is probably good anyway. You don't need to be having a lot of smells and scents on your face anyway. Let's see how this feels. Ooh, it does have a smell after you start spreading it around, but it smells really amazing, and it makes my hands soft. So guaranteed it's gonna make my face soft. I don't want to put this directly on my face just yet because I need to actually do a cleanse, do the toner, and do all of that extra stuff. but I will be doing an update of how each product works as well. So right here, what I have next is the Tribe Season Facial Mist Tone, Hydrating, Soothing, and Rejuvenate. I told you how to use it as well. Hi, boyfriend. You gotta get, no, I already told you gotta give me a kiss. You can't be walking in and out here. Too late. You don't like to be on camera. Come on. I already told you the next time you're walking here, you gotta give me a kiss.
You're kind of parched because you stopped saying
Thank you.
and started yelling.
Love you.
It's time to conquer Rome.
Wait, you think what I said, next thing up I have this facial mist toner. I've never used any toners for my face, so I'm gonna be really excited to use this because as you can see, mama's face is breaking out because we gotta wear these masks, but it doesn't look as bad as it did before, so I'm really hoping these products do what they gotta do. But how to use this: spray on, you have to spray this on a cleansed face with a cotton round or a cotton pad, following up with their serum that they have. You could use it in the morning and the night. And again, on the bottom has their ingredients. I will list it in the description box below what their ingredients are.
One box at a time.
And this is a 4-ounce bottle right here. Oh, I want to spray this. There's like really there's something inside the bottle, but this is the 4-ounce bottle. It's vegan, natural, cruelty free. Again, right here. This lasts about 6 months. After that, the shelf life is no longer like valid enough to be used. But what is this in here? I want to see what this smells like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on my hand.
Is your money still?
Just one little spray. This is enough to last me for a long time. Oh, that smells really amazing.
Look at your money and
That smells amazing. I smell I smell peppermint in here.
for all things money.
I'm wilding. It's not peppermint. It's tea tree oil. I have to look at the thing. I'm definitely going to be doing a big update on these products, in about a week from now. And this is my favorite part right here. I love me some scrubs. If you know me personally, I love scrubs. So this is the Cultured Body Scrub. This is made with cinnamon, chai, and nutmeg. Again, this is vegan, natural, and cruelty free. And this is 8 ounces right here. 8 ounces of goodness, I should say. The shelf life on this again is 6 months, so everything is 6 months. After 6 months, it's no longer good to be used. It tells you how to use it and the ingredients. The ingredients again for this will be in the description box below. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to use a body scrub, but if you're very unsure, you don't need a lot. A little goes a long ways, so you need to buff this into your skin with it while it is wet, while it is damp. I would say I recommend getting the body scrub as well, because body scrubs are definitely good to get all the dead skin off. And my ladies' body scrubs are good to use on, you know, the kitty cat as well, to keep you from getting bumps down there. So definitely recommend body scrubs as well. Recommend this. How do I open this? Here we go. Going to this smells like a Cinnabon, and I have a Cinnabon in the fridge. I gotta open it. It smells like a pure Cinnabon. Like, look at that, yo.
You shouldn't have to live like a homeless person. What about me? I only have 4 burners.
Yo, this smells amazing.
And an egg.
Amazing. Oh, there's something else on the bottom.
And a chicken.
I just realized that I've always hated living here. I can believe
Okay. I'm definitely going to use this tonight and give an update, because the body scrub feels nice as well. Like, this smells really amazing. It smells like a Cinnabon. But I'm going to use the body scrub tonight and tell you how amazing it feels. Put this back in here directly how it was, how it came to me. Yeah, I already turn it off.
Yeah.
Look at me. I lost everything.
Oh, I did turned off the TV. My
Turned
fault.
off the TV. She ain't
Boo! Oh my god. Boo. Yeah. Well, I hooked it up because I needed to watch some TV, some cable. Oh, thank you. Now I gotta go back to my channel. Sorry about that, y'all. You know, the perks of living with your boyfriend. He just threw me off. What else is he? I'm going to use the body scrub probably today or tomorrow. Let you guys know how good it works. I will do before and after videos as well, so you can definitely see the difference. But this packaging is A1. The scrub smells like a cinnamon bun, and I love it as well. So again, thank you for choosing me to be your brand ambassador, because I love everything that's in here. And y'all make sure y'all use my discount code, which is xoxobre. Y'all can get 20% off. Like, let's do that. Y'all gotta do that. Like, now. All of that will be in the description box below. And again, like I said, if you, oh snap, about to end the video and I forgot I had something else in my package. I got this too. What's this? Is this something that I've been dying for? Is this something that I've actually been saying that I need? Oh, they did right, because yo, I needed this. They knew exactly what I needed. They knew I needed a robe. They knew sis needed a robe. And they came through. True. They came true. Yes. Oh, okay. So those things are separate. Put it through the holes. They came through. Most of the crowd, they came through. They knew sis needed a robe. I've been dying for a robe, and they knew sis needed one. They just knew it. They just knew sis needed a robe, and they got their name right here. Like, where you see that at? They knew I needed a robe. I love everything in my packaging. I almost forgot about this. So, if I knew I was getting my package, I wish I got my package before I left for my vacation. Because I would have been wearing this all over the room, all over the hotel. But anyways, like I said before, make sure y'all check them out. I will have the website in the description box below. Please use my discount code so you get 20% off. All of these products are amazing so far, and please stay tuned for the next video on my review on the body scrub that I will be using either today or tomorrow. It really smells great. It smells like a cinnamon bun. A cinnabon, if you've ever had one of those, it smells amazing. Or a cinnamon bun itself, it smells amazing. So I will be doing a before and after video as well with me using that product. And I will see you guys in the next video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.